What up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in Math Land we are talking about fractions of a whole. It's going to be a tricky thing. It's new for a lot of you, so you're definitely going to want to get some scrap paper and pencil because I'm going to do some problems. I'm going to ask you to do a few problems, and then, also hit that like and subscribe button and all that stuff because it makes me happy when you do that. So, fractions. A fraction means you're taking a part of something. A fraction of a whole is a part of something. Okay, so let's just say that I have a dozen eggs, like a carton of eggs, and I want 4 of them. I can turn 4 out of my 12 eggs into a fraction, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. It shows how many parts you have out of a total number of equal parts. So this over here is what a fraction looks like. You have this fraction bar in the middle right here, and you have a number on top called the numerator. You have a number on the bottom called the denominator. Okay, the denominator is how many whole parts you have. Okay, how many total parts of the whole thing you have. So if I was giving you the egg carton problem and there's 12 total eggs, 12 would be the denominator. The numerator is how much you want. So if I wanted to get 4 from those 12 eggs, that would be 4. Now in this case, we have something different. Okay, if a pizza is cut into 8 slices, so just pretend that this is a pizza cut into 8 slices and you ate 3 of them, I want to turn that into a fraction. So this is what we're going to do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices of pizza. Our denominator is going to be 8. So I'm going to draw a fraction bar that's supposed to be a straight line, and then 8 is going to be on the bottom. We want to eat 3 of them. So we shade 1, 2, 3. And so 3 out of 8 is going to be our fraction. So if a pizza is cut into 8 slices and you ate 3 of them, 3 out of 8, what you want out of your total amount. Okay, numerator is 3, denominator is 8. All right, so let's see if we can understand and do a few more. Kylie is cleaning the window in her room so she can see the stars at night. The window has 6 equal-sized panes. Which fraction model represents 1 pane out of the window? So what we're going to do is let's turn this into a fraction first, and then look at this picture. She has 6 total equal-sized panes. That means if you look out your window, there's like little squares, little rectangles. There's a total of 6 of them, so 6 is going to be our denominator. Okay, she wants to look at 1 pane, so we do 1 out of 6. Now, which one of these is going to look like 1 out of 6? Well, not you, because we're shading 2 things, so not this one. This is going to be 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so not you either. This is going to be 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this fraction, this visual aid, is going to give us that 1 out of 6 that this problem is talking about. So here's our fraction, and here's our picture. Okay, so we're picking the green one, my favorite color. Now you know. Kevin is dreaming that he has made it to the last round of his favorite game show, Spin to Win. He will spin a super prize wheel that is divided into 4 equal spaces. If the wheel lands on a winning space, Kevin will win a new car. Kevin dreams that there are 3 losing spaces and 1 winning space. So if I wanted to draw this, right? If I wanted to draw this, there's a wheel that's cut into 4 parts. You have a W for win and you have 3 L's for lose. Okay? Which model represents the fraction of the super prize wheel that has the winning space? Well, if I'm looking at this, I'm going to come up with my fraction first. My fraction is going to be, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 total spaces. So 4 is my denominator. I want 1 of them to win. So 1 out of 4 is my space. So if I wanted to draw this and fill this out, I'm picking the guy that has 4 total spaces and 1 of those spaces covered. Now this has 1, but a total of 3. This has 1, but a total of 5. This has a total of 4, but 2 of them are shaded. This is the one I want because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, and one of them is shaded in just like that guy right there. Okay, so that's going to be our answer. All right, not so bad. So you try it. You read this on your own. I'll come back, pause the screen, and I'll come back and we'll check our work. All right, Jack's service project is to put a fresh coat of paint on the north wall of the school building. Well, it looks like Jack got into trouble. That's a lot of work. So he asks some friends to help. To split up the work, Jack divides the wall into 3 equal sections. Jack paints one section himself. Which model represents the fraction of the wall that Jack paints? Well, there's going to be 3 equal sections, so that's 3 total parts, and he's going to paint one of them. So I need the guy here that represents 1 out of 3. Well, you are 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so not you. You are 1 out of 1, 2, 3, so you, and you would be 1 out of 1, 2, so not you. So if you chose the middle one, you chose correctly. You chose correctly. All right. Malia wants her room to be more colorful, so she is painting one of the walls. She divides the wall into 4 equal parts. And the lights went out. Spooky math time. She divides the wall into 4 equal parts. You know that happens sometimes. My lights go out. Where am I? She divides the wall into 4 equal parts. Malia paints one part her favorite color and leaves 3 parts white. What fraction of the wall does Malia paint her favorite color? Well, if she's going to paint, if there's going to be 4 equal parts that she's dividing, 4 is going to be my total number on the bottom. She's going to paint one of them her favorite color and 3 of them white. We want the one that's her favorite color. So this is going to be 1 out of 4. It's what she wants out of the total things that she makes. So 1 out of 4 is going to be our fraction. Spooky math. All right. Harold's mother has made popcorn for family movie night. Harold serves himself a large bowl of popcorn and serves his brothers smaller bowls of popcorn. Wait, says his mother, make sure everyone gets the same amount of popcorn. So Harold divides the popcorn into 4 equal-sized bowls. He pours melted butter over 1 of the bowls and adds extra salt to 3 of the bowls. Which fraction of the popcorn has melted butter on it? So this is a lot of story for really nothing. Okay, we've got 4 bowls. That's our total amount. What do we want? We want the one with melted butter on it. How many has melted butter on it? He pours melted butter over 1 of them. So our fraction is going to be 1 over 4, which was the answer to the last one. Not really creative with these problems. So again, if you're looking for bowls of popcorn, and we split it up into 4 parts, right? So let me just draw a diagram just for funsies. One of them has melted butter and the other one has extra salt. So MB for melted butter, extra salt, extra salt. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. Melted butter is what we want. 1 out of 4 is what we get. Okay? So a lot of words. That's kind of the pain with some of these problems. You're just dealing with a lot of words. All right, so now it's your turn. We're going to talk about Gary and Marshall. So pause the screen. You do it on your own, okay? And we'll come back and check. All right, Gary and Marshall are at a birthday party at Decorate Your Plate Pottery store. Sounds fun. They're working together to paint a clay dinner plate. Gary and Marshall draw lines to divide the plate into 10 equal-sized sections. Gary paints 6 of them. Marshall paints 4 of them. What fraction of the plate did Gary paint? So let's do this. Let's draw ourselves a picture. And again, I'm not really, this is going to be fun trying to split this into 10. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, I did the best I could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it though. All right, so we have Gary paints 6 of them. Gary. Marshall paints 4 of them. Marshall, 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 Marshall. What do we have here? Well, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts. And Gary paints 6, Marshall paints 4. What fraction did Gary paint? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of 10. And that's going to be our guy. Now, in future lessons, we will learn how to clean that up and simplify that. We're not there yet. Let's just make sure we understand the fraction part first. So you try it. I believe this is the last one. Pause the screen, come back and check your work, make sure you did it right. So for a family picnic, Colin's parents made an extra long hero sandwich. Colin cuts the sandwich into 8 equal pieces. Colin's dog, so let's just draw a sandwich. Here's a sandwich. We're going to assume it's a hoagie, so I'm going to draw the hoagie like this. 8 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my hoagie, 8 equal parts. Colin's dog Boots gets into the back of the car and opens the picnic basket. Boots eats 7 pieces. Boots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then just the family, Colin's family shares the other 1 piece, so that's Colin. Boots, you little rascal. What fraction of the sandwich did Boots eat? Well, there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Boots ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So Boots ate 7/8 of that sandwich. Holy cow, Boots. Boots, you little stinker. Does it look like a little doggy like that would ever eat 7 pieces of a sandwich? I don't think so. But he did. And we're done. So that's fractions of a whole. Okay, we used some diagrams, we made some fractions, and most importantly, we had a great time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch future videos, watch past videos, watch all my videos. But thank you for watching. Love you all. Enjoy spooky math. Bye.